Guys, Britt here from WB Trees Consultants doing frequently asked questions. Do we write maintenance plans? Do we write OM plans? Do we write costs? The answer is yes. We always write costs with our commercial inspections. We believe it is the only thing that the investor really wants. The data is found on site. The write-up codifies that data. It organizes it. But then the real important thing is the costs. So an OM plan gets even more into detail. And then when we do PIP plans for hotels, we'll get even further into detail. But those are the steps, the assessment, the inspection, the write-up, the cost, and then we move forward in time, do OM plans and PIP plans. Check us out online, wbtreesconsultants.com.